All right, special thanks to this company for sending me their car multifunction work light to create an Amazon unboxing video for you guys. So not a whole lot around the edges of the box. Their company sticker there, magnetic cob work light yellow 1-pack, and just a photo of it there, same photo there. So nonetheless, let's open it up. Oh, look at this. Much bigger than I anticipated. I don't know why. So they include you a nice micro USB cable to charge this with, so you can plug it into your phone charger or your computer, whatever you have, to be able to plug this in and get it charging. And then this is the actual item. Very nice. And that's it for the box. And so a little information here: car multifunction work light, so hookable LED light, cob light, power indicator, on-off switch, magnetic attraction indicator light, and USB input and USB output. Wow, so it does both. Recharge and power bank function. That's pretty cool. So to give you a rundown of this, you've got a hook here if you need to hang it on something. Pretty helpful. You've got a nice LED light right there, which looks like it comes on the third press, and so you can see the light, and then that also dims, and then that flashes red. That is the first setting, which is the brightest. Next is the lower medium setting, and then it switches over to the spotlight. The red one is like a distress signal. And so then there's also a nice magnet right here. Really, wow, pretty strong magnet. And then the last part is probably one of the coolest. This little part is covered by plastic, where you are actually able to use this port to charge up the battery in this, and use this USB port to charge a phone or some other item that you may have. So it's kind of a power bank light combo there. So that's pretty nice, and I like that that's some nice plastic protecting that. I doubt any water would really get in there unless it stood there for a while. Now in the hand, this thing feels great. If you were you know, kind of using it, I'd picture you'd use it something like that, or you know, hang it something like that. But definitely very nice and comfortable in the hands. There you go. That is the car multifunction work light unboxing. Very nice product. Great for somebody who works on their car a lot. And with it being completely rechargeable, you ain't got to deal with buying batteries anymore. Just have it charged up and you're ready to go with this nice light. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.